Good morning and welcome to another episode of Car Coaching Chronicles. So, check this out. If I turn this light off, sun's just coming up. It's kind of dark, so I have this light on so you can kind of see me. Otherwise, it's kind of a weird way to watch Car Coaching Chronicles. So what I want to talk about today is daylight savings. It's that time of the year. You know, our bodies do this funny thing when it's dark. And daylight savings is getting here, and so it's staying light okay, but it's staying dark later into the morning, but we're going to change all that on Sunday, right? And so when that happens, all of a sudden, it's going to start getting dark really late in the afternoons, really early in the afternoons. And so it's going to start being dark at 4 or 5 o'clock. It's going to be pitch black outside. And we're going to have this desire to, call the days earlier because it's already dark. Interestingly enough, we don't call the days substantially later when it stays light until 9 o'clock. But we do seem to call the days earlier when it gets dark earlier. So what I want to encourage you to do and think about starting next week when we have daylight savings in effect is don't do it based on sunlight or darkness. I mean, geez, what if you worked up in like the polar ice cap or something like that where it's always dark or it's always light? You couldn't do that. And you need to not do that here. Down in the United States or wherever you're watching this, unless you're watching from the polar ice cap, then you already know that's how it works, right? So don't let lightness or lack of lightness affect your hours, affect your work. Set your schedule, work your schedule, get there when you're supposed to get there, dark or light. Stay until you're supposed to stay there, dark or light. Work until you're supposed to work, dark or light, and accomplish what you set out to accomplish each and every day, dark or light. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.